Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get Samsung Music app in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to get or download Samsung Music app, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Galaxy Store, and here just tap on the search option in the top right corner, and here you have to simply search for Samsung Music. And just tap on this, and here select the app. Once you have, just tap on this install option and the app will start downloading. Here you can see the app is starting downloading. You just have to wait for until it's being download or installed. After installation, you just have to tap on this open option and the app will open. You have to tap on continue, then continue again, and here allow to access music and audio on this device, then allow to send notifications. Once you have that, now you can easily use your music app. So and that's how you can easily get Samsung Music app in any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.